man si Mami ba. Nagpasalamat yun siya kay Amor sa iyang pagsakripisyo kanang iyang yung kalipay ng pagsakripisyo kay Mami. Kanya sa mga hinga, mga auntie o mga uncle, cousin, relatives, maraming salamat po kay Dr. Suriela, Edgar Naghalan, Sir Van Nunes, Dr. Remenito Pilay, the best doctor in the world, and in town. And nag-ingon rin siya diri nga one chat away, kay isa lang daw, one chat away, naadayan ng doctor on the way kay Zoom. Abot tayo para kay Mami. Pastor Joel Hinoy and the company nga nakaikunitatak sa RMN Radio, kamina good mo. Kaya naman aron, malingaw. May advertisement gawin, no? Kamina good mo, kaya lingaw ginaw. And then, to all who helped us on this occasion sacrificially, done from decorations, invitation program, and others, kay Mumper. Together. Masaypot pa sa kutana nga nagkan sila sa cake. Cake is purity. It means purity means breaking off the bride's cake. Magaling ako na misunti kaniya the substance dominance of the group over the bride. So siya ang pagmamala sa iyang asawa. Because after this, wine toasting. Okay. Okay, ready? Camera, ready?
Go!
Nagduma. Okay, diba? Okay. Okay, ang ganda sa wine. So, nalihog ko, no?
Ay, hot na ha, kaya mga hubog.
So, tuduan nyo na yung isang pagkunit sa wine. Ang wine nag-represent of sweetness. According to sila, kung madugay na ang wine, the more become taste good. The desire that the couple will never go thirsty, and that their lives will be filled with health and happiness. Okay, ready? Get set, go! Yay! Good job! Alright, this moment, wala. Okay. Okay, Anisha. Wala tay Rina. Dali mo sa okay, ito mo sa center. This time, naa sila bitbiton. Ninong, practical to ha. Nakita ninyo siya. You're part of it. You're helping to build the relationship up. So karon, naa sila giveaways. Mr. and Mrs. Ibig sabihin si Mr. and Mrs. isa. So, ang ilang, the reason why is, bakit ito? Tingnan mo yung picture. Diba, picture nila dalawa. Bakit po handkerchief?
Why?
Kasi po magamit ito eh. Diba? Kung symptom daw si Judy, nakuhan daw niya. May bayad ka. Kung pag-symptom mo po siya, ilang dunia. O di ba? Represent of bonding together. Okay? So they bond together, and siya, kung paghuman ini, inyong tratuhan lugod, you have to help one another as a husband and wife. Diba? Okay?